Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. So, as one of our subscriber has asked me to share some strategy regarding mains exam, so I have made some plans. According to my plan, I'll suggest you to do that if you can. Okay, so for reasoning, I'm giving sectional mock test, not giving full mock test, but sectional. Okay, so from practice mock I am giving sectional mock test. Okay, one sectional mock test and Ankush Lamba YouTube video class, which is free on YouTube or an academy, you can follow it. Okay, so these things I am doing for reasoning section. Just do not bother about giving full mock test because it will take huge time, and because we have very less time, so we have to prepare it very concise way. Okay, so do not just bother about giving full mock test in 3 to 4 hours, then it will take, and then analyze it, it would take very huge time, so please do not give it. Okay, and for reasoning, solve 2 to 3 passages on a daily basis, because what is required is comprehension. If you comprehend it easily, then it would be very easy for you to solve the questions. So I would suggest you, please, comprehension is required. You can solve it 2 to 3 on a daily basis. It would be very easy for you to fetch extra marks. Okay, so give sectional mock test for it. So okay, so I won't suggest you to do reasoning and maths both in one day. So it would not be possible to give both the subject on one day, because we have very less time, and we can't do both the things in a day. So I am giving sectional mock test on alternate basis. If I will give reasoning, then I would not give math sections. Okay, because it will take at least 3 hours in reasoning in one day, and in English 2 to 3 hours. So there are, in total 6 hours it will take. And you know we are talking about current affair because it is very necessary. You have to give it proper time on it. Okay, so what I have done, I have divided current affair into 4 to 5 parts, because there is if we are doing one weekly from 1 to 7 December in one day, then it will take at least 3 to 4 hours. Half of the time you have to give on current affair, because it will fetch you extra marks and lead over other students. So I'd suggest you do one weekly test, 1 week current affair in one day. Okay, I am doing it. I have done till 21 December, and I am doing it 21 to 28 December today. So I'll do that. And then after, full revision of 1 month current affair in one day. Okay, so this is my strategy regarding mains exam. You can also follow it, otherwise you can follow according to you, what is your weak areas, or what is your strong area, work accordingly. But I'm just providing my strategy regarding that. You can follow it. Thank you so much. If you like it, then subscribe it.